If I could teach the birds to sing, I would write a song for you and have the birds sing it to you every day. In the morning as you wake, the birds will sing my song for you, so that I am your first thought of the day. And as you go out your day, the birds will follow you around, singing my song for you, so that I'm always in your thoughts. And at night as you prepare to sleep, the birds will continue to sing my song to you, so that I'm your last thought of the day. And while you lay sleeping, the birds will continue to sing my song for you, so that I'm with you in your dreams. And even after I'm gone from this world, the birds will continue to sing my song for you, so that you know my love for